I am Santosh Gaidankar, SVIT Rajangunta, Bangalore. This is a design of measurement 2 problem of flat belt drive model 2. A nylon core flat belt 200 mm wide. Data is given here. 200 mm wide they have given it. That is A1 is given as 200 mm. And the weight W is given. It's 20 Newton meter. It is not 20 Newton per meter cube. Okay, it is 20 Newton meter. Connect a 300 mm diameter. Diameter is given small d, 300 mm diameter, and 900 mm diameter, larger diameter. Based upon the value, you can identify which is the larger and which is the smaller. A driven pulley of shaft spacing, they are given it. C is given 6 into 1000, that is 6000. Because it is given in a meter, we are converting into mm. Transmit power 5.2 kilowatt. And the belt speed is, velocity is given 25 meter per second. Calculate belt length, angle of wrap. Find out belt length, L we have to find out, angle of wrap we have to find out. What is the angle of wrap? It may be, if you are open belt, you are taking the example, theta S and theta L you have to find out. If the open belt you are taking the example. They are not mentioned whether we have to go for open belt or cross belt. Depends upon the situation, you can go for open belt and cross belt. Okay, belt tension based upon the, okay. Belt tension, second is the thing, belt tension they have given it. Belt tension is the thing, but T1 and T2 we have to find out. T1 and T2 you have to find out. Mu is given as 0.38. Now, the very important part is here. They are given W in terms of 20 Newton meter. Normally it should be in Newton per meter cube. In order to obtain the T1 and T2, this plays a very important role. Okay. Further, as we move, you will come to know what I am doing here. First, I will assume it's an open belt drive. Assume open belt drive. Open belt. Either you can go for cross belt also, no problem. There is no clear mention whether it is an open belt or cross belt. Formula 4c square plus minus d whole square plus 1 by 2 d theta L plus d theta S. Theta L, what is the formula theta L? Theta L is equal to pi plus 2 sin inverse d by d, capital D by small d into pi by 180. Substitute the value, pi plus 2 sin inverse capital D is nothing but 900 minus 300 divided by 2 into 6000 into pi by 180. If you calculate, the answer will be 3.2416 radian. Theta S is nothing but pi minus 2 sin inverse d by d divided by 2c into pi by 180. Pi minus 2 sin inverse 900 minus 300 divided by 2 into 6000 into pi by 180. The answer will be 3.0416 radian. Now everything is known. Substitute in this formula, you will get length here. L is equal to root 4 into c square. What is c? 6000 square minus d 900 minus 300 whole square plus 1 by 2 900 theta L 3.2416 plus small d 300 into 3.0416. If you calculate, the answer will be 13899.05 mm. In terms of meter, it will be 13.89 meter. Now, first we got the length and the angle of wrap. Next, we are finding the tensions. Belt tension. The belt tension. T1 and T2 I am going to find out. But they are given W in terms of 20 Newton meter cube. meter. This is very important part. That means I have to convert everything in terms of tension. How? This is the normal formula I used to write. A T is equal to 1000 P divided by sigma D. This will be sigma D minus sigma C into K. What is sigma C? Sigma C is nothing but W by G V square into 10 raised to minus 6. I used to write this one. Now what happens here? This is nothing but A here. I have to write in terms of tension. I will go for cross multiply this one. Cross multiply. Then it becomes A sigma D minus sigma C into V into K divided by 1000 P. Now I can write this formula in terms of here. T1 minus TC divided by 1000 into Vk is equal to P. I can write this one because what is T1? T1 is nothing but sigma D into A, and T2 is nothing but sigma 1, sigma 2 into A. Now sigma TC is nothing but sigma C into A. I have taken A common here, and everything will be same in this way. Now I will find TC. TC is nothing but what? TC. What is TC? Now normally this becomes TC, then this also becomes what? W by G V square. Now what is W? I am not taking 10 raised to minus 6 here, because in terms of stress you have to consider this one. In terms of tensile, why I am not considering C here? This is 20. I will write 20 divided by 9.8066 into velocity will be 25 square. Therefore TC will be 1274.65 Newton. Why I am writing this part is nothing but, I will write here 20 is nothing but Newton meter. This will be meter per second square will acceleration, and the velocity will be meter square plus second square, because square is there. Further it become Newton meter into meter square divided by s square into s square divided by meter. This and this cancel, this and this cancel, this and this cancel, finally it becomes Newton. Because of that one, please don't consider this value here. In terms of stress you can consider. In terms of tensile, based on the problem, this is very special problem here, you have to consider in this way. After getting this value, substitute here, the P is known, you will get T1 here directly T1. What is P? What is T? T1 we don't know. Sigma C we got it, 1274.65 divided by 1000. What is velocity? Velocity will be 25 into K, because we don't know K. K we have to find out. K is equal to e raised to mu theta s minus 1 divided by e raised to mu theta s. What is the value for this one? E is equal to, what is mu? Mu is nothing but 0.38. Theta s is nothing but 3.0416, because it is smaller, minus 1 divided by e raised to 0.38 into 3.0416. The answer for K will be 0.6852. Substitute here. I will write here T1 is the T1 minus 1274.65 25 into K is 0.6852. 1000 is equal to P. If you calculate, what is P? P is nothing but 55. 55.2 is equal to 55.2. If you calculate, the T1 will be, T1 is equal to 4497.06 Newton. After getting this value, you can substitute. One more formula is there. That is, I'm writing this one formula. Sigma 1 minus sigma c is equal to sigma 2 minus sigma c is equal to e raised to mu theta s. And this formula can be written as in this way: T1 minus Tc divided by T2 minus Tc is equal to e raised to mu theta s. Now substitute in this formula. T1 is nothing but 4497.06 minus Tc. Tc is nothing but 1274.65 divided by T2 minus 1274.65 is equal to 0.38 into 3.0416. This is the mu value, theta s. Either you can write this for this values here and calculate T2 will be 2289.07 Newton. This is the answer you will obtain. I am Santosh Gaidankar. Thank you very much.